Hi, Mila. How are you?
How are you? I'm good, thank you.
Are you busy?
No, I just came from the gym. I'm
Oh,
good. I
all
can
right.
talk now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So right now in Moscow or
So,
what?
no, I'm in Bali.
All right.
Yeah.
So
And you?
I am from capital on Dhaka, not village.
Nice.
Yeah.
Uh huh. Nice. So you moved?
Yeah, I moved almost 1 year plus.
Nice. Very nice. Are you still? How do you get your clients?
On Fiverr and also main stream on the Fiverr, but also I work on Upwork and Direct. I have two remote job on the US and one Australia.
Uh huh.
And
Oh.
yeah,
How did you get a remote job in Australia?
it's actually through from Fiverr. They reach out and then we talk on a WhatsApp direct, and they're offering a we can work on a direct. Fiverr charged a lot of, like, he paid $500, so it's cost 20% from her and also from my
Yeah.
side as well. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. 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 Nice. That's
Yeah.
nice.
So, do you run agency right now? When you work on different clients?
No, I don't. No, no. I got sick and tired of that job and it's not what I wanted to do, so no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So we are going on. Yes. Yes. Here. Yeah. So right now is two campaign were active, but I tested and seen 168 people visit on our website, but not doing the purchase. Do you get any purchase on Amazon or Gumroad?
I checked 2 days ago, there was nothing. Let me check again real quick. 1 second.
Okay.
Reports, 1 sec. I can see that the views are increasing on Instagram. I can see that, and I'm receiving so many spam messages. No, nothing.
No sale.
No sales at all.
Yeah,
Mm-mm.
right.
No.
Because
I thought my app was pretty good. This is different, by the way. No one booked in from that link as well.
our main goal is here, gonna workbook.
Yeah,
So I'm sending the
well,
traffic
yeah,
right now on this
yeah,
landing page. So
yeah,
then they visit the page mainly, then read the some description here and the reviews also.
yeah.
And if someone
I can
interested,
tell,
when
yeah,
click on the buy printer,
yeah.
so go the Amazon and PDF version on okay, Gumroad. So my
Yeah,
thing is, do you have
Gumroad,
any
there's no
option?
sale.
I understand. We cannot actually send the traffic.
Wait, one sale on Gumroad.
Oh, that's
One.
nice. That's nice. So,
Yeah.
but we cannot actually track how many sales we get from ads because we are sending the traffic, but it will be controlled
True.
when our
Yeah.
website complete the purchase. But it's a third party site, so we cannot track actually the third party website like
Yeah.
Amazon or Gumroad. But that's interesting. We got a
Yeah.
fast sales, and I can optimize the campaign
Yeah.
later, so it will be more
Yeah.
better, right?
I
So
was thinking maybe it would make sense to put the book on sale and do like a retargeting and run some retargeting and put it on like 50% sale or something or 30% sale.
yeah, correct. That's why I like set up the call with you, and also we need some talking head video on this book selling campaign strategy. On the CTR, click through. Sorry, is a CT
Yeah.
CTA button. Like you will that kind of. Actually, we are promoting right now Carousel post and like two reels, right? So I want to tell
But the
you
two reels, wait, but the two reels, they're not for the book. The two reels, they are for to book the link with me to schedule a session.
that's the videos, talking head videos, but I'm talking the
Yeah.
Instagram post, Instagram reels.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah.
I don't run actually the talking head video because before I run this campaign, I want to talk with you. Then I will set up the campaign. And right now is two campaign I tested. One is like campaign one and campaign two.
Yeah.
not campaign 3. So that's
Yeah.
the thing. But I want to
Yeah.
give you the content strategy plan so we can get more sales. So you can
Sure.
make a shorts videos on the Instagram Reels. So you can post on the
Yeah.
both platforms, Facebook page and Instagram page. You can give a 10% or 15% discount for the limited time, and also you
Yeah.
can
Okay.
do like a special coupon if you have. You can
Yeah.
create, I think you
Yeah.
can use Kajabi, so you can just highlight this, and so we can
I don't
actually
think I can create a coupon because it's selling on Amazon, but I can put the price down. So
you can
I cannot
actually
have any coupon.
not down the price, but you can increase it. Like right now, how much is it? 33. Yeah, 33.
It's
Yeah.
23.
So you can like increase it like 37 and then discount 15%. I think it will be 23 or 25, something like that. So actually,
Yeah, but there is no this option on Amazon. There's no such option. The only option on Amazon, you cannot put like 27 cross and that price. It's the Amazon that does it. I cannot do it.
oh, all right. Oh, you cannot make an offer on Amazon, right?
No, cannot make
But
offers.
can
Amazon
you
is very strict, yeah.
can you see here? Like here, you get 20% off.
But this is not the seller does. It's Amazon does it.
Oh, okay.
And Amazon decides automatically whether they're going to put it on sale or not.
I understand. But same on the
Yeah, but I'm
Gumroad?
gonna
Same on the
yeah.
Gumroad as well, or
Gumroad, I'm not sure, but Gumroad I cannot put it any less because it's already.
12?
I think I don't know. Maybe I can put it for $9.99 or $8.99, but I don't think it's worth it. I don't know.
Okay. Yeah.
Maybe.
All right. So, okay, that's the thing. I actually prepared the plan. I want to actually target who already engaged on your Instagram, because your Instagram has good followers and good engagement as well.
Okay.
So, I want to create the custom audience who already know about you. Most of the people like on your post and comments and engaged on last 90 days or 180 days. So, I will create the
Yeah.
audience and show you that kind of people on our ads, like a
Okay. Great.
book a
Yeah.
consultation, because it will higher chances to book immediately or purchase, because
Yeah.
they already know about you. Also,
Yeah.
they have a lot of
Yeah.
friend circle. So that's the thing. And also, you can give me just 3 to 5 creatives, like videos, like you were talking about the book. Okay. Also, I will test.
Okay.
Already tested the carousel. That's doing good. You see on the Instagram dashboard.
Yeah.
Visited a lot of people.
Yeah. I can.
So
Yeah, I
we
see
can
that. Yeah.
increase it the sales, and 2 weeks we will test it this creative and campaign strategy. So let's see how that work. I believe it will increase the sales.
So what do you want from me? You want talking head videos about the book.
Correct. On a reels type, not the like a
Yeah,
YouTube short.
a reel.
Yeah, not like
Yeah.
the YouTube videos. So yeah, that's the thing. And one more thing, I have seen. Did you see the pixelized setup from my side? It's Facebook Event Manager tool. But if you want, we can do it advanced way through the Google Tag Manager and
Yeah, I know Google Tag Manager.
Google Analytics 4. So we can track a lot of people behavior, where they actually visit and how many people scroll the page. We can track everything. But this is advanced tracking. So Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4, that two tools are free. But for the server side tracking, like the iOS, after iOS update, the Apple user
Yeah.
data is very sincere, so we cannot track actually the browser side. So we need to track the server side as well. But if you want, right now it's fine, totally fine for the Kajabi, and Kajabi default metapixel is working fine. But for the
This is quite I was actually thinking to use the Google tag thing to check whether people are clicking on by PDF version or by print version. So I wanted to track whether people are actually clicking on the buttons.
We can.
So I think I'm gonna implement it today. Yeah.
So do you know how to do that? Or do you need any help?
No, I can set it up, no problem. I'll find out.
All right. So yeah, that's the thing. Let's see 2 weeks, and then we can book another call, and let's see how it's going on ads. I think we can improve that.
What about, okay, so I don't understand. Right now, you want me to create at least one reel for the workbook. Let me write this down. So,
Okay.
one reel for the workbook with the sale. Talk about the discount, right?
Yeah. Like you can create 2 or 3 videos for the
Or
workbook.
just one reel.
Not just one reel. You can create multiple reels or shorts from different angle. Like one videos you are showing the discount, and one is showing like emotional things you are highlighting, and the other videos you are straight. Hey, this is a great book for you. So that kind of offer you can. So 3 different videos, but for the one campaign workbook. Yeah.
What if I just ask all my friends to record the reviews?
Yeah,
They can all say something about the book.
That would be much better. So we can promote like a testimonial videos, and they will get a lot of trust because it's in. That would be great.
But the thing is, these are my friends, so I can't upload it on my Instagram.
No problem. I can put on ads, so only people can watch who will try. So on your Instagram, people cannot see this. That's fine, no problem.
Yeah.
And the one thing.
And okay, what about the name for the booking?
Yeah, right. Booking. So I'm gonna show you that. Here you can see. Where is the booking?
Let me see.
Here is the booking link, right?
Sorry, 1 second. So just before we go into that, see this one. Yes, it's gotten almost 8,000 views. This one, right?
Yeah.
But when I check the insights, no one really shared it or saved it. And the interactions, I can see that there's only 23 interactions. I don't know what that means. 23 interactions. But this video, sorry, the reel about the book, I have 2 people saved it, 12 interactions. So maybe we can, and someone shared it. So maybe I think the reel should be promoted over this still one.
Okay.
And this one, for some reason, is not running at all.
Yeah.
Even though this one got a lot of views, 20,000 views on TikTok. This one.
20,000. That's too much. Yeah. But it's not performing on the ads.
I'll show you.
I stopped that post because I seen a lot of
Not
people
performing on the ads, no?
Yeah, not performing on Instagram. But we can try it later. But I think that will not perform because the other one is like and Meta says, tell me.
This one, sorry, not 20, 10,000, and it's got 800 likes and 51 saved.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, on TikTok, right? TikTok.
It's on TikTok, yeah.
Okay, so both are the different platform. Sometimes some of the posts you can see on a interaction on a Facebook, some of the posts viral on the Instagram. So it's actually algorithm depends on the algorithm. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
Okay. So here you can see this is the booking link, right? Talking head videos. So
yes, book a free call.
okay.
Right.
So can you add some reviews on here, like on testimonial shorts, like a shorts review? Like I booked a meeting with Mila. That's really helpful for us, and it's helped me to grow my career. Something like that. That few testimonial we need actually on these landing pages.
Landing page for bookings. Okay, got it. Okay.
Yeah. So if someone click on the book now and book a free calendar, that's fine. You embedded the code on here on the website. So I seen everything is fine. event, and you can see everything is tracked perfectly. That will be the schedule. So just add this. So I will run the campaign for this booking link on these landing pages. So
Okay. Okay.
yeah, all fine.
All right. Okay, got it. I'll do that. I'll do all that. I'll prepare all that. And I'll let you know once I install the Google tag, right?
Yeah.
Google Tag Manager. Do you need to connect Google Tag Manager to the Facebook?
No. You just link up the Google Tag Manager on your website, Kajabi. And then you can give me the Google Tag Manager access. I can set up the tracking from my side.
Okay, and the button clicks and all that.
Yeah, correct. On the like head tag and body tag, just you put down a Kajabi, then it will be connected, and then we can go ahead.
Okay, got it. Perfect. All right, understood. I'll do all that.
All right. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You too. Thanks for your time.
See you. Take care.